Okay, this video is going to be on how to open an assignment in Kami, complete the assignment, and submit it. So if I take a look at this assignment right here, open it up, and notice it says open assignment with Kami. You are not going to open it here. You're going to click on open assignment with Kami. And what's going to pop up is an individual copy of a worksheet that you can complete online and submit. This lesson is on multiplying decimals. So as we're multiplying decimals, this is how we're going to complete it. We can use, there's a whole bunch of tools over here that you can use. There's a dictionary tool there, okay? That dictionary tool, if we have vocabulary words in one of these sheets, you can look up the word in the dictionary. Now be careful because you're going to have to pick a definition that matches math. You remember, a dictionary gives all sorts of definitions, okay? There's some markup things we can highlight here. I know about other videos how to do that. Text to speech, it can read stuff to you. I want to really focus on the text box, maybe the equation, and the drawing, and how to submit. So I'm going to start with the text box. And if I'm taking a look here, when we're multiplying decimals, remember we ignore the decimal point in the beginning. 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to click there and put in my 2. It's the end of that. And we carry the 1. 4 times 7 is 28, plus the 1 is 29. Carry the 2. And then 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 2 is a 10. The 0 is already there. So I'm going to need another text box here to be my 10. When I multiply decimals, now I'm going to worry about the decimal point. I have 2 decimal places in the first digit. I have, here's my text box again. I have 0 decimal digits there for a total of 2 decimal digits. So I'm going to take that decimal point, and they did it, and move it in 1, 2 spots. Okay, let's do another problem similar to it. Let's simply do this one over here. And I want to highlight the drawing tool this time. Okay, this time I'm going to write this problem over here. And I could do this with text box, but I'm going to write it over here. Let's do choice C. I'm going to keep this short because this is about submitting. We have a 0.08 times 7. 7 times 8 is 56. We have 1 decimal digit there. We have 0 there. Gives me a total of 1 decimal digit. So my decimal point will come in from here to there. And my answer is 5 decimal point and 6 tenths. So that is how to write on a document. You can do it with the pencil tool. Now, this color I could have chosen black if I wanted to. There are other tools over there to use. I'm going to hit the equation button yet to show you what that looks like. In the equation, insert symbols, and you can see all of the symbols you would have that you could possibly insert there. I'm looking for a division sign. I don't actually see one. Okay, there it is right there. So if I wanted to write the problem, let's just go with, let's get out of here, go to drawing. Let's do 56. And we're going to hit this, I don't know if I can do that. We're going to hit the symbol. I don't know if I can do this. I can't. Okay, I would have to be in a text box to put the symbol in. Okay, let's put the symbol in. There it is. 56 divided by, I'm going to come back to my drawing tool. 7 would equal then 0.08. And I know I drew all over top of this quickly just to make sure we could do it. Now how to submit. Yeah, I showed you how to open. I showed you how to mark up on top of it. Now how to submit. This is a little bit of a long process here. So what we want to do when we submit this is we're going to hit the share button. That is this button right here. We're going to hit the share button. From there, we are going to copy. At that point, I did what I need to do on the screen. So I'm going to close that out, X that window out, and up here is a turn in button. I'm going to click turn in, click turn in. It's going to export this back to Schoology for me. And now I have a window, and I'm going to hit submit. There is my assignment. Okay, I am going to submit, and that assignment is now turned in. That is how we open an assignment for Kami, complete the assignment, and turn it in. There are a lot of other tools I could have used there. We're going to save that for another video. I'm concerned be able to open, be able to mark on it, and be able to turn it in. Okay, hopefully this helped a lot.